Hi everyone! I am Cha, a health benefit agent of MaxiCare. So, kung naghahanap po kayo ng murang HMO, napasok sa budget po, then I can offer you po a prepaid card ni MaxiCare. So, si prepaid card is meron siyang tatlong klase. Yung Prima, yung e-ready, tsaka yung e-ready advance. So, yung Prima po is meron siyang dalawang klase din. Ito. Yan. Meron siyang Prima Silver tsaka Prima Gold. So, si Prima Silver po is 0 to 59 years old, and then for Prima Gold is 60 years old and above. So, as of now po kasi is naka-on hold yung pagbebenta ng Primas dahil for enhancement purposes. Pero before, I already purchased a MaxiCare Prima Silver. So, ito ay nagagamit ko for unlimited consultation tsaka unlimited laboratories within primary care center ni MaxiCare. So, take note lang po, hindi lahat is pwedeng maka-avail nung Prima Silver tsaka Prima Gold. Kasi, kung yung area mo is may malapit na primary care center, then you can have your own, you can have your Prima. Pero kung walang malapit din, hindi talaga namin as an agent, is hindi talaga namin ma-offer itong Prima. So, ito is nagamit ko pa siya, madaming laboratories, mga ultrasound, kuha ng dugo, mga check-up, pabalik-balik ako sa hospital noon. I mean, pabalik-balik ako sa clinic kasi madaming laboratories na ginagawa. So, at least for as low as 4,999, nakatipid talaga ako. Anyway, I can discuss you more with Prima Silver at saka Prima Gold once available na po siya sa market. Pero as of now po kasi is naka-on hold pa siya. Anyway, I can still discuss you with e-ready tsaka e-ready advance. Yun, available pa po yun. So, first, yung e-ready muna. So, si e-ready din po is meron siyang dalawang klase. Ito, yung e-ready titanium tsaka e-ready platinum. So, yan po silang dalawa is pareho lang talaga sila ng coverage. Meron siyang 25,000 emergency coverage na magagamit for outpatient po. So, ibig sabihin ng outpatient yung biglang na emergency ka tapos nakauwi ka din naman po. Pinaka talaga ng emergency, pinaka meaning talaga ng emergency is ang entrance point mo talaga is yung emergency room. So, mga ganun po. And then, one time, etong e-ready is one time use lang po talaga. Once nagamit mo na po ito, is automatic, hindi mo na siya magagamit for the next hospitalization or the next emergency na mangyayari within 1 year. So, ito po ay one-time payment, one-time use also. So, the price is 1,300 po. Before kasi last July is 1,300, nagbago siya, pero before kasi ang presyo niya is 839 with 15,000 emergency coverage. Pero ngayon po is bago na siya, 1,300 with 25,000 emergency coverage po. And then meron din silang free and unlimited consultation within primary care center din po ni MaxiCare. So, hindi ko kasi siya masyadong memorize, pero the inclusion of the check-up or the consultation is the internal medicine, the family medicine, the general practitioner, and also the pediatrician. So, yun po yung pwede nyong ma-avail doon sa primary care center for check-up once you get po or you purchase e-ready. So, etong dalawang ito, yung e-ready titanium tsaka platinum, is ang difference lang talaga niya is si titanium po is hindi niya cover, hindi siya kasama yung hindi kasama yung 6 major hospital in Metro Manila. So, itong si platinum po is plus accredited to 6 major hospital in Metro Manila. So, nandyan, i-indicate ko po yung 6 major hospital. So, kaming mga nasa Mindanao or sa Visayas or kahit nasa Luzon na malayo doon sa 6 major hospital is pwede nang mag-avail nung e-ready titanium. Kasi ang presyo ng titanium is 1,300 and then the platinum is 1,500. Yun lang talaga yung magkaiba is accredited plus accredited to all 6 major hospitals si platinum, kaya mas mahal po talaga siya. So to discuss more with e-ready, you can comment or you can message me at my Facebook page. So lalagay ko na lang sa comment box po yung Facebook page ko. And then also, additional for e-ready advanced is, meron din siyang dalawang klase, pareho din po, titanium tsaka platinum. So, magkatulad din sila. Yung difference lang ni titanium at platinum is si platinum accredited to all 6 major hospital and Metro Manila, and then si titanium is yung mga regular accredited hospital lang ni MaxiCare. So, ito is for emergency cases leading to confinement ay po pwede siya. So, 50,000 emergency coverage ang magagamit niya, and then one-time use, one-time payment also within 1 year po. So, yun siya is 50,000 emergency coverage na like halimbawa po is nagkaroon ka ng emergency, dinala ka sa hospital, tapos sabi ng doctor, anyway only the doctor can define po ha if yung pagkaka-hospital mo is kailangan siyang i-confine, pero just in case na sabihin ng doktor na i-confine, then yes, it can cover po the confinement if you avail the e-ready advance. So, kahit magkano yung bill mo doon, basta as long as naglilimit talaga siya sa 50,000 is makakover po talaga. So, maubos man po o hindi yung 50,000 automatic, your card will hindi na siya pwedeng magamit next emergency cases within 1 year din po. So, same din po siya sa e-ready. Meron din siyang free and unlimited consultation within primary care center din po. Bawal siya sa mga hospital yung consultation. Ang po pwede lang sa hospital is yung mga emergency. Including the including the animal bite, the animal scratches, yun pwede din po siyang ma-avail. Basta within 24 hours lang po ng like nakagat ka ng aso, within 24 hours, pwede po yung magamit. Anyway, to know more about prepaid card ni MaxiCare, you can comment or you can message me sa aking page po para ma-discuss ko po sa inyo. By the way, again, I am Cha, a health benefit agent of MaxiCare, at the same time a licensed financial advisor of AIAPH. So I can offer also you a HMO with life insurance, retirement plan, and also educational plan ni AIA, formerly PhilAm Life po. Bye!